Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley and today we will be installing this wig together. Now this one does come courtesy of YGwigs. You guys know they are my friends and I've worked with them quite a few times on this channel. Today we went with a no lace, super simple and easy install. Now this one's going to be perfect for the cold and rainy seasons that may be a little bit more harsh on your hair. You'll be able to braid your hair up or put it in a bun and protect it, and you don't have to worry about your lace, your hairline, or anything like that. This one is all cap, and we're gonna go ahead and install her from start to finish. As you guys can see, she's a beautiful kinky curly look. She's a nice perfect density and length for my height. I am 5'3", and of course I have all the details on this wig in the description box, and I love that they included a nice taper cut to make it super stylish and perfect. The only customizations we did is we used a razor like this, which you should already have at home. These are essential for like cleaning up your eyebrows and stuff. So I took it and I just kind of like cut a little bit of the bang to make it perfect to frame my own face, and you'll see how I did that a little bit later in the video. We are literally going with no lace at all. As you guys can see by the inside construction of the cap, no lace, no parting. You do have this here to make it look natural, but no lace. Okay, so this is definitely interesting. It's been a while since I have messed with a wig like this. Oh, it's 9/18. 9/18 is my angel number. It's also my birthday, September 18th. It's also the time that my daughter Dakota was born. 9/18 has just been a pivotal, crazy number in my life. And I don't know what it means, but I see it everywhere. Like I see it in books, I see it in other people's phone numbers, I see it in billboards, I see it everywhere. Okay, so just going off and just kind of like playing with it before we even try to finesse. I can see I'm gonna like this wig. I predict I may have to trim a few pieces here because I want to keep this long if this is the bang, but I want to be able to see, so it needs to sit like here, you know what I mean? It's like okay if there's like one piece that comes a little bit long. I don't want it too blunt across, so we're gonna have to finesse and just kind of be creative. Not sure if you can see that, but I'm gonna make it pop. But this is like maybe a little piece of like faux lace, and it's gonna help to give the illusion that there is scalp there, which I like that factor. So let me go ahead. I'm just gonna go ahead and play some music for you guys while I go in and mousse her down. If the mousse doesn't work, then we probably will have to go in with some water and a cream product.
One of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. Don't slip on a trip. Don't slip on the trail. Tempo, tempo. Can you keep up with my tempo? Tempo. Yeah, yeah. Blowing up, C4. I just hit the Mike Jackson on my tiptoes. Oh yeah. I know we go wherever that wind blows. The endo. Don't slip on the trail. 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 High key, I know. I send all of my rap foes like they my tadpoles. Yeah, yeah. Blowing up, C4. I just had to go crack now on my Depot. Yeah, yeah, that Draco bustin' like free throws. I do not miss no shots.
Okay guys, so this one was super easy and fun to install. This one is more about creativity. Now what I will say is I personally think that Nairobi wasn't the way to go, or just mousse in general. I feel like this one needed water and a cream product. So I am gonna switch my products up. I did want to do my makeup because I feel like you can get a better look at the overall, you know, result of a hairstyle when your makeup is done. Not to say that you have to wear makeup with this wig or any wig in general, but you know, I just feel like me advertising and showing off this outfit, just like if you get dressed and you put on some heels, you know, you don't have to put on makeup to wear heels, but it always sets it off when you wear makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup off camera. This is going to be a perfect time for the hair to kind of dry back down and see what happens. I find that because I used 100% mousse and I didn't use any other product, it definitely had a little bit of crunch to it, which you would have seen if I was recording. I love the definition when you look at the actual curl pattern, and I feel like it's a little bit tapered, which helps it to look really good. But I do honestly feel like I can do a little bit better with the curls. So I'm going to take my daughter's Lotta Body hair cream. I'm just gonna play with it a little bit more because again, I just want it to be a little bit more tamed. Okay, that's pretty much it for this look. I do feel like I spent a lot more time perfecting the curls than necessary. This isn't meant to be like a hard, you know, long process of a hairstyle. This is one that you're supposed to be able to put on, kind of wet it, and go. But you know, that first time you style your hair, you kind of want to custom cut and make sure all the curls fall where they want. I love the cut of the end of the hair. So you guys see we went ahead and added a little bit of my daughter's moisture milk to soften the curls back up, but I did not use any water. Also in the beginning I was using my scissors, but then I went ahead and started to use a razor. I feel like the razor is the best way to get like a custom cut, a custom style that's not too blunt, especially with curls, because you can take like literally each ringlet or section and just kind of like tease it until it you know, breaks apart, and you'll get the perfect flawless cut. And what makes it perfect is that this is one that you can wear like in all weather. If it's raining and you don't want to worry about your lace and install, this is perfect. Definitely one that is great for women who want to protect their hair and not, you know, mess with their hairline or anything like that, and like have anything sitting on their hairline. This one is perfect. As I mentioned, this one did come from YGwigs. You guys know they're my friends and I've worked with them quite a few times. And as always, the wig came in a nice little drawstring backpack. These are great for the gym, or like when I'm running out, I can throw a couple diapers in there for the baby and some wipes. And you know, just an easy carry. Inside of the bag was this box, and their packaging is super nice. And then of course they spoiled us with some free goodies. So they did give us a pair of gold hoops, which I used to only wear hoops. I never wore studs in my grade school and childhood. I always wore hoops. And then as an adult, I just became a stud wearer. Now I only wear studs. Then they also gave us a couple of headbands. These here are just like all around headbands where you could even finesse these on this wig, kind of like push it behind the ear and have the bang out and then put the headband through. That would be a really super cute look. And then they gave us some nice fall and winter colors. These two are more like headscarf material, but they only go around the hairline. I love these, especially on days when I just hop up and I don't like bond my wig down, or it's lifting, whatever. You can like cover the lace area with those and still look cute and stylish. Also inside your package you get 2 clips, which you guys know these are essential when it comes to holding your hair back when you are putting on makeup or binding your wig down. A baby hair brush, which is another essential. And then they also gave us some wig caps. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!
Yeah. I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down till I burn out. I just wanna live fast, I don't wanna look back. back and say I could've done more than I did now. Sometimes it can be hard, yeah, it can be.